Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete your account on Yahoo Finance. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in yahoo.board.oath.com/delete-my-account and then hit enter. Once the termination page of Yahoo opens up on your screen, so read all these terms and conditions and then click on this continue delete my account option. After you click on the continue delete my account option, you'll be guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to enter your email address which you want to delete here. Make sure that you enter the correct email address and double check before clicking on this yes terminate this account option. After you fill in the correct email address, click on the yes terminate this account option. As you can see on my screen, my account has been deactivated and is scheduled for deletion. Now in a couple of days, my account will be permanently deleted from the Yahoo website. I hope this video helped you to delete your Yahoo Finance account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.